Hello! As Robentex, we combine the power of innovation and automation to facilitate your transformation processes with superior quality and efficiency. We would like to provide you with information about a unique solution we offer to optimize welding processes and enhance productivity. As we push the boundaries of technology, we integrate Fanuc robots to perfect welding processes and make them even more automation-oriented. Fanuc's industry-leading robotic solutions provide an excellent match to increase efficiency and quality. Superior precision. Fanuc robots enable excellent results in welding processes with their high-precision, 24/7 operation. Fanuc robots can work continuously, ensuring the continuity of your production. Easy programming. The ease of programming Fanuc robots allows operators to make quick changes in production. Advanced safety. Fanuc robots operate with integrated safety features compliant with safety standards, ensuring the safety of operators. Feel free to contact us to get more information and receive a solution tailored specifically for you. With Robentex and Fanuc, your path to success will be more efficient, safer, and more innovative.